on my journey with all these lovely succulents. Hi guys, so this is my string of hearts, and as you can see, it's not looking too happy. I've been traveling a bit, and so I haven't been giving it some attention. As you can see, it's supposed to be trailing beautifully down, and it's all tangled up, and the contraption that it has is not working. It's not trailing on this. As you can see, it's a beautiful heart. If I turn that around, you can see that better, and lots of leaves have fallen out and stuff. My plant is not happy. It's not happy at all. To me, it looks like one hot mess. And when you roll with me, one hot mess is not what I can handle. So we need to sort this out. So this plant is not happy, and I'm not happy, so it's not rolling with me. So we gotta sort this out. Stay tuned. And as you can see, it's very bad. So what I'm gonna do is repot it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try and take this out of here, like that. Don't want to damage the plant, so I want to make sure that I do it gently, like that. I'm going to leave that aside, and then I'm going to try and take out as much as I can with my hand, and if not, I'm just going to unweave this as much as I can so I can save a lot of the plants. As you can see, I'm detangling it, and it seems to be okay so far. Don't want to lose any nodes, and I don't want to damage the plant because it's already being damaged. So taking it out of this little heart contraption, and voila, look at that, beautiful, with the nodes all intact. As you can see, these are all nodes, and wow, this is a job well done. So I'm gonna just clean out the bottom area like that and say goodbye to this, if you could see that. I don't know if you can see this contraption, but anyway, so now that I'm so happy that that's come out nicely and I saved my plant, I'm just gonna dig up here a little bit and see what else I can find with my hand. I'm gonna throw the soil in there. I'm gonna move some of these leaves aside. This is a very delicate plant, so I don't want to damage it anyway. So if I have any more nodes in here, I would like to save that. There's one big one. Yo, this is so good. Wow, this is like finding a giant potato in here. Look at that. Just look at that. Wow. So let's give this a little squeeze and it out down there. A little bit more. Okay. Just checking if there's any more in here. And I think that's about it. So what I've done is I've taken my potting soil, and this is what I'm using, succulent mix, which is very good. You can see that. And I'm going to fill a little bit more to the top. And it's always good to give your plant fresh, good dressing and stuff. The more you take care of your plants, the more better they will look. So I'm going to fold that right to the top, like that. That's not too much. And move that aside. Okay. And I'm going to press this nicely in. And then I'm going to take my biggest root of all, and I'm going to place him right down here. So he's got a brand new home to be in, and one that's not so small. I'm going to place that there, like that, and let my strings fall down. And there's the other one that I've untangled from the heart contraption. I'm going to take it out slowly, and there's the bulb, and I'm going to tuck it in down there like that. Cover it with some soil. And this big guy, wow, how beautiful is this? I'm gonna let it rest nicely in here. Place the sand over him like that. And I'm gonna let the hearts. There's another node in here. I'm gonna push him down like that. I'm going to let my hearts gently fall down. There's another bulb that I'll place over here, back. There's another one I'll place there. So there we go. Another bulb. Oh, this plant is so gorgeous. Place this few leaves on the top, and I'm going to see what's going to happen to them. I don't know if they will propagate, but let's try. There's nothing better than trying, and everything we do is over a trial and error. So oops, okay, clean up a bit. It's a pretty pot, and there you go, my new string of hearts in their pretty little home. New home, should I say? And I don't know where I'm going to hang it yet, but this is how it's looking so far. So yeah, I have some top dressing, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top like that. Not on the hearts, just a little bit to give it like that. And there we go, my new home, my lovely string of hearts. Tangle free.